Lesson number 26. Meditation: how to heal yourself. Each of us is capable of experiencing miracles of healing. Renewal is built into the very fabric of our body, while disease is the exception. When we understand how our body renews itself, we'll be able to control this process. Neuroscientist Eric Kendall, a Nobel laureate, discovered that the number of connections in a neuron bundle is doubled by stimulation. But if you do not use new neural connections, they begin to fade away within 3 weeks. A person can intentionally help the hormones of his cells to synthesize proteins, or neural pathways, and send signals. A group of scientists from the Center for Neuroeconomics at the University of California at Claremont conducted an experiment and proved this fact. The most important role for a person in such a transformation is played by emotions. Negative emotions are devastating, causing high levels of stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline, and pushing our hormonal balance beyond our comfort limit. The release of relaxation hormones, serotonin and oxytocin, occurs during positive emotions, and even more so during meditation, when the brain receives powerful signals of love, kindness, acceptance, and unity. Serotonin, by the way, is responsible for maintaining mood balance and is commonly used in many antidepressants available. But the body is capable of producing hormones on its own, and the help in this process is meditation. A person can learn to regulate the levels of stress hormones and healing hormones in their body. The notion that a person can heal himself simply by broadcasting thoughts and feelings seems unrealistic at first. However, here we have given a lot of evidence that it is our own thoughts, emotions, and beliefs that trigger a series of processes within the body. This is the reality of a new generation. This is neuroplasticity. And this concept is based on the idea that we ourselves control the formation of our new neural connections. This is one of the methods of personal transformation, and you will cope with this task with the help of meditation. This is a magical journey that will open the possibility of healing to you. Believe in your ability, and you will become a healer and a spiritual mentor for yourself. Let us start. Sit with a straight back, cross your legs, open your palms, and place them on the knees. Make yourself comfortable. If needed, put pillows under your back. Close your eyes. Move your attention to the area between eyebrows. Focus your attention on the center of your head. Take a deep breath and expand. Feel the space around you. Fill this space in space. Breathe deeply and slowly, listening to your breathing. Let the sound of your breath remind you of the sound of the sea. When you inhale, the wave approaches, and when you exit, it leaves. As you inhale, the wave approaches from your space. The wave goes into space as you exhale. Now repeat affirmations to yourself. And remember that affirmations will work only when you live and feel them as an emotion in your body. Enjoy every word, please. I accept and love myself and my body. I direct my energy to healing and restoration of my body. I'm open to my new reality to be healthy and happy. I do deserve well-being and health. I'm getting healthier and stronger every day. Feel the sincerity of your desires. Now place your palms on the heart area. Thank yourself, your family, acquaintances, and strangers. Embrace the whole earth mentally with love. Great. The meditation is over. Did you like it? Thanks for visiting us and spending your time with us. Love. Do not forget about the next lesson.